So do I need to take A plus before I take Security Plus and Network Plus? Okay, so kind of what I was just hitting on. So the A plus is really good for getting into help desk. Once you get past that, um, a lot of jobs don't deal with the physical repair of systems. A lot of times, especially in big companies, that job or that the repair of the systems and things like that, that's outsourced to a vendor or some other third party. But help desk can do repair. Sometimes they do the repair internally. Um, and the A plus is kind of its own thing, right? It's very centered around repair, where the Security Plus and Network Plus, they really don't talk about that stuff. Like when those talk about the physical components, they might talk about, um, especially in networking, it's the OSI model. So like the layer one stuff is like the physical hardware, the cables, whatever. But really, once you start getting in those jobs, you don't need to know how to repair a computer. It's just not something that you have to know how to do. It's not part of your job, right? It's just not part of that job function. But it's good knowledge from a holistic standpoint. But you don't have to take the A plus at all. You definitely don't need to take it for the Security Plus and Network Plus. So, and I say that because people have gotten like a Network Plus and they've gotten the same kind of job. So it's just, you know, um, it's not a requirement.